Yes, I saw a tweet by an account belonging to the Mossad, saying that that strike didn't come from Israel.
Yeah.
They were trying to do an analysis of the trajectory of the missile, how it broke into two and then engulfed the hospital.
Yeah,
And then said
Israel,
it's not from
they
us.
have and they've shared that intelligence with the US that it was fired from a cemetery, in Gaza by not Hamas but by another
Islamic
Palestinian
jihadist group.
jihad group, and it was misfired and landed in the hospital and caused that casualty. The days to come will show us. Daniel Hagari, Rear Admiral Daniel Hagari, is the chief spokesman for the IDF. He's just briefing. It's a live briefing that's going on now, and he's analyzing that intel. He's analyzing that intel to say that this did not come from Israel. This is international conflict, and I think that I do not wish to be in the middle of it.